So we have developed an app and we have given the name WSAA, that is Women Safety Awareness App.
After installation of WSAA, they will show the message you enable the GPS. After enable the GPS, then my login page is open, that is mobile number, OTP, sign in and register.
Girl security, and our app name is eSathi. So basically we know that in recent world, girls and women safety is one of our priority, as we are seeing our surroundings that we are not safe enough in our country.
This will be AI part. Actually, they get the data from the people who travel along that path, and the person whoever traveled with that path, they will be concerned. Yes, this path is not safety purpose.
Myself, Sanjay Vis, and I am the product owner of Sprinting Bolts. Today, we have got an amazing opportunity to develop something about a major and global issue, that is women safety. As you all know that in day-to-day life, everywhere in household or in corporates, women are facing a lot. Like there is mental harassment, domestic violence, and many more such things. But some of them are aware about their rights, some are not. So we have tried to develop such an app that gives both some awareness and something about the safety purposes. So we have developed an app and we have given the name WSAA, that is Women Safety Awareness App. And in this we added a key feature, that is emergency SOS, because in certain circumstances they don't have enough time to log in the app and register the complaint. So we have given the SOS feature, in that they can just tap 2 or 3 bars on their cell phone and then message of danger would be given to the alternative number that they provided on the app while registering the app. So in brief, I will love to invite my Scrum Master to let you explain the brief of and key functionalities of our app. Thank you.
Hello guys. After some given information by my product owner, and I'm continue with my app. My app name is WSAA, that is Women Safety and Awareness App. After installation of WSAA, they will show the message you enable the GPS. After enable the GPS, then my login page is open, that is mobile number, OTP, sign in and register. You can log in with register, even you log in with Gmail, Google or Apple. If you go through registration process, then first of all we have a country name, because we have tourism, women safety also in this feature ad. That's why we have a country code. If in Indian, then if it's NRI, then I enter his country name and ID / visa number. If this is Indian, and he can enter the Aadhaar card number or driving license number, and if it's NRI, that is enter visa number. Then after enter his name, current address, mobile number, mother father / contact number, email ID is optional and password is optional, and friends contact number and family contact number for SOS only options given. After successful registration, then my home page is look like this. In my home page, our slogan is your safety is our pride. In my home page options, first of all, I will give a helpline number, that is 1090, and here is a language change option. And our menu bar is women safety, child safety, tourist, women safety, and we have given an emergency button. After emergency button, you press the emergency button. The auto information goes to nearby police station, nearby women's cell, nearby friends or colleagues, or nearby if family members there. In the home page, click on the women safety options. They will show women safety options में just like women safety में एक sexual harassment है, एक cyber safety है, एक domestic violence है, एक mental harassment है और एक social awareness है, एक corporate awareness है. Mostly women are working in corporate sector. It's like night shift working. So they also about their safety. If they have any sexual harassment, then they push the button, emergency button, they will help you. And after women's safety, then we have a child safety. Child safety in options में given है one of the counselor, and second one is aware about bad touch and good touch, and third one is awareness videos. Awareness videos में एक हमने YouTube में लिंक दे रखा है, जिसके क्लिक करने के बाद वो उस वीडियो से अवेयर हो सकता है कि what is the bad and what is the good. And if one of the counselor option, some childs are not talk to our parents. तो एक हमने काउंसलर का ऑप्शन भी दे रखा है कि वो काउंसलर से बात करके उस टॉपिक्स, उस सॉल्यूशन को सॉल्व कर सकता है कि बच्चा क्यों परेशान है या वो किस प्रॉब्लम से फेस कर रहा है. उसके बाद एक हमने एक टूरिस्ट सेफ्टी का भी ऑप्शन दिया है, बिकॉज इंडिया जो एक लीड कर रहा है, उसका जो इंडिया का जो बिजनेस लीड कर रहा है वो एक टूरिस्ट से भी लीड कर रहा है. बिकॉज इंडिया में मतलब मोस्टली डिफरेंट टाइप्स के लोग आते हैं, डिफरेंट कंट्री से लोग आते हैं, और उनकी सेफ्टी भी हमारे लिए मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है, जिसमें हमने मेंटल हैरेसमेंट, टीजिंग और एक सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट का दिया है. इस पर्पस मेंटल हैरेसमेंट, टीजिंग और सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट से भी वो अपने आप को सेव कर सकते हैं. गो थ्रू ओनली इमरजेंसी बटन. थैंक यू.
Good evening, everyone. So our project is based on girl security, and our app name is eSathi. So basically, we know that in recent world, girls and women safety is one of our priority. As we are seeing our surroundings that we are not safe enough in our country. So we had developed an app through which we get to know where we are and what are the measures we can take to save ourselves. So we had made this is our front page, which we will open. Through this you can add your username, password and submit it. Once you had signed up, it is automatically, you don't have to sign up it again and again or log in again and again. Once you sign it up, it was in your phone, you can open and the home page will open automatically. But once you have done, after downloading the app, there is a profile. You need to mention your name, your address, the emergency contacts which you want to know where you are in the emergency situations. Then a unique ID will generate through this. Then gender, age, contact number, your contact number. After this you can submit it. And whenever you want to edit your emergency contact, you can edit that also. Then the home page will open. In home page is our the slogan we have, we are here to protect you. So in home you can basically find your profile, and anytime you want to go to edit, you can edit that. Then it's come to safety. In safety measures we are having camera, voice recording, government scheme and child safety. Because camera and voice recording, anytime you are feeling suspicious about something, you can take the pictures and record your voice or someone other voice, someone who is harassing you. In government scheme, in safety we had added government scheme as well, because sometimes people don't know about it. So we want that people also get to know, educate themselves that what are the schemes government is providing. Then the child safety. In child safety, the child is wearing the watch through which the voice recognition will be given to the parents. Then we are having live events. Live events like house concern. We are in daily routine, we are going outside, sometimes roads, in our own house, in corporate world, and others when we are going for shopping and grocery shops or any tourist place as well. So whenever we are going somewhere, our the GPS is always on, and our app is also offline based. Like if you are offline also, you are tracked. Then we are coming with the harassment. The harassment in corporate world. There are multiple type of harassment: sexual harassment, personal harassment, physical, verbal, psychological, online. all this harassment if someone is facing in corporate world, so they can take the scenarios what kind of harassment they are having and text about it. Through that, the police will contact the corporate the office where it was happening, because GPS is always on, so they will get to know that where it was happening and how it is happening. Then we are having the safety concern, self-defense training also in our app. Through there are some kind of photos through which the girls get to know that how they can protect themselves if something is happening, what is good touch, what is bad touch for the child also, and the videos of the self-defense training. Again, there is a self-awareness about that you don't have to tolerate something if someone is teasing you. You have to take the immediate action, otherwise it will increase day by day. Next is emergency. Like I told you, when you open the home page, the emergency option will be there, through which if you are panicking, because panic is not about that someone is harassing you. Sometimes it is happen because when you are going through a road at night and your vehicle get tire punctured, that time also you will feel panic, your battery is not much charged. So that time if you will click the panic button, so your parents or emergency contacts get to know, okay, you are not well, so they will try to contact you. And threat in the condition where the situation is extreme, that time you can press the threat button, so nearby police station will get to know, okay, something risky is going to happen. Next, my product owner will explain you. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sumit Sum and I am the product owner of the application eSathi. My team developed this application. So my Scrum Master explained these modules like live event, safety harassment, emergency community report, and self-defense training. Now I am going to proceed with safety community report. In this module, whenever the people travel along the path, and if that path needs any safety concern, then we have given a map. On map, red line will be highlighted on that path. Actually, this will be AI part. Actually, they get the data from the people who travel along that path, and the person whoever traveled with that path, they will be concerned. Yes, this path is not safety purpose. So, and after that, there is an architecture part. Here we described how the end users communicate with the GSM and internet, and how the alerts sent to the police stations, hospitals, and emergency contact that we have saved in emergency context during a profile. And the main concern is that whether it's in road safety, whenever women and girls traveling anywhere, then in live events they select destination part where she has to go or she has to go. So whenever the driver diverted from the path where she selected, then she get an alarm on that time. Yeah, thank you.
That's all.
So coming to team A and team B, so your topic was to create an app for female security, right? And team A ने भी अच्छा presentation दिया, but कुछ unique features थे जो team B के हमें बहुत ज़्यादा appreciative लगे. So for team A and B, team B is the winner with 17 points out of 20. And team A just 1 point से आप पीछे रहे हो, you are like at 16. Okay, so the winner is team B. Can we have a strong round of applause for team B?
एक्चुअली विनर टीम को मैं सगुन देता हूँ कुछ, ठीक है? तो ये सगुन है हमारे तरफ से विनर टीम जो प्रोडक्ट ऑनर है, ठीक है? 1000 रुपए का
भाई आशीर्वाद है।
इतना क्लोज कंपटीशन नहीं था, but what I felt personally for constructive feedback for team C and team D both, that this kind of application is something that is hugely demanded by clients. आज की डेट में ये जो एप्लीकेशन है ना, जैसे सर ने राइटली बोला, इट्स नॉट ओनली इन द फैशन इंडस्ट्री, बट इट इज एन इंडस्ट्री. जैसे अपैरल्स होते हैं, ओके, अपैरल्स में इनफैक्ट इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे इस तरीके के बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज की बहुत ज्यादा डिमांड है. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अगर दोनों टीम्स ने थोड़ा और रिसर्च वर्क इस पे किया होता, सो दैट कुड हैव प्रूव टू बी मोर बेटर. ओके, बिकॉज यू आर टेक्निकल पीपल. जितनी ज्यादा रिसर्च, जितना ज्यादा यूनिकनेस आप अपने एप्लीकेशंस में लेकर आओगे, इट विल बी मोर बेनिफिशियल टू द क्लाइंट साइड. Okay, so apparels, creativity, rentals is something which is trending, and this market is not going to stop for the next 5 to 8 years that I see. Okay, so areas of opportunities बहुत थी जिसमें आप लोग काम कर सकते थे, नहीं हुआ.
करने का मौका है.
But yes, you still have the opportunity. But again, if I have to, like select, one team out of the two, so team D is heading with 15 points out of 20, so team D is the winner, and team C, just missed it with 1.5 points, so team C is at 13.5. So can I call upon the winner team, team D?
Hi everyone. Do you want to gain a real-time exposure in the corporeal environment? To know more about 4Achievers, like and subscribe to our page. And to know more information about our IT trainings, contact us on the below mentioned number. Thank you.